Eva Trades.
Oh, shit. How do you like them Eagles? Oh, he's such a cute thing, isn't he? Well, hey, welcome to Eva Trades. My name's Josh. We're live streaming right now and going to trade in the real market with some real money, get some real results, and we'll see what happens. Let's take a look at the progress and then we'll break down the charts. But first, this. And I like to trade in a simulator. I trade in Thinkorswim to practice my strategy. Today is not, of course, a simulator. This is the real deal. Trading with real shares, but very small share size. Keeping that in mind. My daily game book rules here. Daily max loss is $40. That's rule number one. If I lose $40 today, I'm done. And I hope that doesn't happen because you can see right here that I am up $50 in the account. Had that nice big green day was that Friday, I think. So we'll see if we can keep that going. Rule number two, I can't take more than 4 positions to start the day because that would put me down below 40 if I lost on all 4 of them. If I hit my daily goal of $20, I can choose to keep trading, but if I give back half of that, then I have to stop. I can't take more positions than my max loss would allow for. So that's the one thing I really have to keep in mind. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts now. I have 5 stocks I'm watching this morning. The market is up overall. SPY coming up against a high of yesterday though, so we'll watch that. DCFC had an equilibrium here on the 5-minute. We broke bullish. We came back and tested this area of support right here. I was going to say we have the makings of a head and shoulders here, but we might be negating that right here. We'll see. Maybe we top out here, but yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. Bulls certainly given enough space here that we could pull back and form a higher low. And you know what? Let's do this. Now I can see. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and move my line, put it right here because we did actually come down a little lower. So we bounced off the VWAP right there. We do have a support down here as well. But right now, bulls want to hold this 211 level on a pullback, form a higher low, and break through 229 to keep this uptrend intact on the 15-minute time frame. If you can see that here, we have a higher low and a higher high. Inside bar, bull break, little higher low, looking for that higher high. So SI just broke out here about, half hour ago. Pretty nice volume. Due for consolidation, but it's a strong stock, so I wouldn't be surprised to see it just keep going. That line you just saw pop up right there, that's from this hourly time frame. That was a high of pre-market yesterday that we have broken through. We have a daily high of 1450. Anyways, so we didn't really form a good support on the way up on the 5-minute. So where do we pull back to? That's anybody's guess. We do have those 2 pivot levels. Could be one of those. 1-minute uptrend, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, double bottom, higher low, higher high. So we are kind of curving here just a little bit. So we'll see what happens. Like I say, we might be due for consolidation there. Bulls want to see a higher low on this 1-minute time frame. You want to kind of find support right here and then make a move back up. We do have about 2 minutes left until the market opens. So MARA, what can you say about MARA? Making some nice moves on the hourly time frame over the last few days. Hourly higher lows and higher highs. 15-minute time frame, nice little bounce here. Bulls want to get over 874. Equilibrium territory on the 15-minute time frame. 5-minute higher low and higher high would continue that 15-minute upwards. We have a 5-minute uptrend. Looking to top out somewhere below 874 and pull back though, because of that equilibrium possibility on the 15-minute time frame. So this could be the top, and we may pull back from here, or we might see a little move higher. Who knows? We'll just play it minute by minute. We'll watch it as the price action moves along. Look at SI just continuing higher. Over here on the other screen, I have MGOL. Don't like it. I did like it when I first put it up there, but not anymore. So I'm not going to be watching that one at all. You can look at the larger time frame. That might be part of the reason. Oh yeah, this was a recent IPO from yesterday. I'm assuming because there's no price action before yesterday, so it's got to be an IPO. Keeping an eye on the time, we have a half a minute till the market opens. So I'm watching this one for a breakthrough 689, and then I might become interested. Riot on the hourly time frame, stair stepping up like everybody else. So the market overall has been pretty strong. Right now, 5 minute time frame, looking for a higher low and a higher high. Not sure I'll trade Riot, but I have it up there to watch. Let's get back over to the main screen. And the market's open. So I can't trade that first 1 minute because Thinkorswim is a really funky platform and won't let me do it. So I'll just wait and watch the candle ranges and see if I'm ready here. 14 cents on DCFC, so I'm going to change my stop loss parameter to kind of match that candle range. 54 cents on SI. I'm looking at the 1 minute time frames for those candle ranges. Right here's 54 cents. $10 seconds to go till I could place a trade, but I don't see anything yet that I want to jump into. So consolidating right now. Riot broke out first thing. Oh, never mind. That was actually, I was looking at the hourly time frame. So where are we going to pull back to? Let's take a look here. We do have this pivot. I didn't mention that one, 203. So we've come down now and hit that. Broke right through it. Broke through our supports. So those are no longer in play. We'll get rid of that pivot also. So on Mara, we do have this support down here. Bulls want to hold 818 on that pullback, and so far holding it. Let's get back to the smaller time frames here. Going to trade over here. And I don't know what's going on. My buy button is stuck down. I want to get that on video. I might have to show that to them. See, it's, oh, there we go. That was weird. And I think we're halted. Yeah, I pressed the buy button here and it just like stuck down. It's like a physical, actual button and it's stuck. I've never seen that happen before. So I did not get filled on my second order. I tried to buy twice as this was moving up. I'm going to cancel that. The reason why this is stopped is because we're halted. And so now we have to wait 5 minutes for a resumption. I tried to get in this one down here, but my stop loss parameters were wrong, so I had to take time to set them. So 5 minutes, so that got halted at 6:32. We'll check back in at 6:37. Let's see if we can get some resumption on that. So Mara with a nice bounce here. Can we break through that VWAP? Nice move there on SI. I want to maybe hold this and see if we get a break through the high. I think I might try to add to this on the way up. What time is it? We got plenty of time on this 5 minute candle. We got a new 1 minute candle coming up here. Just going to break straight through. I'm going to go ahead and sell it. Whoops, I was going to sell it. I'll sell it right there. That was pretty nice. So my daily goal is $20, and that almost got me there. Things starting to turn around a little bit. I could add back on this one, but I think I'm going to wait. I just want to say, if you're watching this live, I don't have the chat set up, so I can't tell if anybody wants to chat or not. I still haven't set that up. I will get that set up. But the software I currently use is a little hard to figure out, so. So now we have a new 5-minute candle. Mara breaking out. We got a high of 860. We're breaking through that. I don't really want to just jump in. Keeping an eye on the time. I've got to go back over to MGOL as soon as we get resumption on that about 6:37, I think it was. So breaking through the VWAP now on DFCF or DCFC. My bad. And I'm going to give it a shot. See if we hold up. There we go. That's not bad. I am at my daily goal. Nice little pullback there. I really wanted to buy that on Mara. See if we get the break. Looking for the breakthrough 860. I took the profit early because I need to get back over here and watch MGOL. I'm not sure on this one. We're halted below the VWAP. Oftentimes these can open lower, and so I could end up taking a loss just because of where my entry is. My entry is at 586. Wow, Mara just took off. So because I had such a late entry on it, if it opens lower, I could definitely take a loss. So I'm going to watch it here, and I'm going to sell it as soon as it opens. Probabilities are high that I could take a loss. So now we should be opening any second. It is 6:37. Watch this very closely. I'm watching the price ladder. I can actually, here's what I'm watching, the price ladder down here. As soon as I see some action there, you'll see it before you see the charts. Before you see the chart move, you'll see the price ladder start to move. And so that's why I watch the price. There it is right there. So I'm selling it and actually made a profit. Go back up to the charts so you can see what it looked like, or what it looks like. You can see it, it opened higher and it shot up right away, and I sold it right in this area. Not bad. Maybe it goes up and gets halted again. But let's see where I'm at on the day here. I'm sitting at 27.42, so I'm definitely above my daily goal. I could afford to take a loss, so I'm back in this one again, and I'm going to sell it again. There we go. Nice trade. Nice trade. You see how I bought that as it bounced, it pulled back towards the VWAP. I jumped in it, and as soon as it shot up, I sold it. I'm not looking to hold it, although we could be looking at getting in halted again. Oh, yeah, and so I know this is the IPO, and I said I really wasn't going to be interested in trading it until we break 689, but just because of the pure momentum that I'm seeing in it, it really is interesting. But we do have to keep in mind that 689 is a resistance. People are probably looking to sell their positions at that point. They may be shorting the stock at that point, so we do have some nice volume coming into it, but just keep in mind 689 is a point of resistance. 710 is another one. But it would be pretty strong if we do break through it and hold. And you could see some really nice movement out of this stock today. So Mara, after that nice strong break, I sold it up in here and then it broke out through here. After that, then it dropped. And this is why you don't want to hold these things. You want to make sure you have your stop losses in place and protect your money. SI, lower high and lower low on the 1 minute. Nice bounce opportunity off of the VWAP there. Be careful on this one. You have a 5-minute candle that's failing, and that 5-minute candle is about to close. The long upper wick. We had a bull break and then a failure, so I'd be cautious. Looking like it may need to consolidate some. Back over to MGOL. So MGOL topping out below that 689 level. So we'll see if we get some consolidation and maybe another attempt at that level. All right, well, that's going to do it for me. I am sitting up pretty at 32.35 on the day. So I'm up 1.5 times my daily goal on very small share size. And the reason I'm trading small share size is because I'm trying to get myself into a rhythm before I start to increase that share size. And believe me, I can increase it a lot. I'm just trading bare minimum here. So today's date is 1/17. And what did I say? I made 35. What was it? Oh, 32.35. So 32.35. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now we got some cushion in the account. We're getting close to $100 of profit. That's pretty good. So I'm going to refresh the $1 Million Challenge website. And we're a long ways from $1 million. I'm going to get there. And I hope that we can all learn something along the way. All right, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Tomorrow morning, as a matter of fact, we'll be right back here trading live again. So until then, take care. Bye-bye.